Small volumes. I recall you purchased Hammond Power Solutions. That was a few years back, and you wrote about it on Seeking Alpha. I see it's rallied nicely. Do you still own it? Or?
Yes, I still own it. I bought it at 571 back in 2018. I sold half of it earlier this year in April at 1170 something, 1173, I think. But it never became a contra stock because, as you mentioned, it has low volumes. The market cap is around 100 million, but a significant amount of that is owned by the founding family, so there's even less available to the investing public. And for that reason, it never made it into the contra portfolio.
Okay. And so what do they do? I mean, and why did you buy them? I guess while we're on the topic.
Yeah, those are good questions. So what they do, they are an original equipment manufacturing company based in Ontario, and they build a variety of transformer and power relay products for utility customers, as well as large industrial, commercial, and residential power users. And the reason I bought them is that in 2018, it looked like a good company to me, but it also looked like they were going through a turnaround. And by a good company, I mean that their balance sheet was strong, they had good insider ownership and low valuations. But the turnaround part of it was they were taking large write-downs in Europe. The European play that they had hoped would work out was failing them badly, so they were beating a retreat from the European market and taking losses as they did so. And then in 2018, it was a tough operating environment as well because their prices were increasing, but they couldn't pass them along to their customers. So the combination of those two attributes meant that they lost money in 2018. Many investors fled the stock, and that's when I got lucky and picked up some shares.
Well, I'm glad it's worked out as well as it has so far. I'm guessing you're looking for a good amount of upside from here before you sell?
Yeah, I'd say so. I'm looking for it to be over 1250 before I want to sell more, and we'll see if it gets there. In the meantime, I'm happy to collect the dividend and watch the quarterly earnings come in and just see how it goes.
Fair enough. So I'm wondering do you think this company is going to benefit from sort of more the macro trend of the electrification of the auto sector, given that they make transformers, I believe?
Yeah, short answer is yeah. They should benefit to a degree. They are already benefiting from the electrification of the vehicle infrastructure industry, displacing internal combustion engines. So I'm happy to see that. I haven't taken the time to really try and quantify how big of a deal that could be for them, but it's certainly having some impact on them already.
Right. Okay, good. Well, on